Hey guys, welcome to Junior's Art, and today I'm gonna draw a cute dolphin. So at first, choose to make its mouth. For this you have to follow these steps. This is very easy. His upper lips is not like this, rather it should be like this. Perfect. Now just follow what I do. It's totally easy. Anyway, that little portion I will clean at the end. Okay, let's join these also. Okay, done. Now, dolphin's cute tail. Just take a look from here. Okay. Now I'm drawing a big eye. And here's his wing. Let's fill the eye. Here's my black paint. Now it's highlighting time. I have filled its eye perfectly, and with this my outlining is done. Here's a cute heart shape. Oh wow, what a pretty dolphin. Just cleaning all the pencil marks that we don't need. Okay, now it's looking absolutely cute. Let's color it. I have taken my cyan highlighter, but you have to follow some rules when you are going to coloring it. Look, I have kept some places empty. Those places I will fill at the end, and the other that I'm doing cyan color will be darker, and I will move my highlighter 2 or 3 times cause I need these lines darker. Be careful about coloring, then let your color go inside any outline. Did you see I'm trying to make these colors as dark as possible? Wow, amazing! I forgot to draw one more wing, and here you go. I will also fill it with darker cyan, as dark as possible. But don't try to use your blue paint, the ocean blue. Don't use that. let us try with cyan. And I'm also filling its tail with that dark cyan. Okay, now it's a very difficult time. You have to use your pen as politely as possible and use it just one time. Okay, can you see the difference? Yes, this is why I was telling you that be careful about coloring. Just one time. I will fill the empty place just in one line. I won't use my pen twice or thrice here. And this is the difference. Here's my pink color. I will fill the dolphin's mouth with pink color. I'm making the upper side a little darker. Okay, and inside its eye I also used the same paint. And my drawing is completed. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.